So you want to talk about Counter-Strike?
Well, okay, so this kind of messed me up because I didn't know what that, like, we did a clip on Counter-Strike like a week ago, and it was a little confusing because there was some sort of denial that there was going to be a new game, or not denial, but like it was just mixed up. It was confusing news that there was work being done and speculation and all the rest of it. And then last night, just quietly, not so quiet anymore, 30 million views over here, Counter-Strike 2.
Yeah.
An overhaul to every system, every piece of content, every part of the CS experience.
Yeah.
And then this insane demo of how smoke grenades are going to operate.
The lighting.
And be relative to the area that the smoke needs to fill. And bullets being able to travel through smoke grenades and create openings, visual openings as that path happens. And you're just like, this is a different game.
They also talked about tick rate, which is really important in Counter-Strike. Being able to have like a high tick rate is something that every player wants because it's just less lag. So, I mean, this came at a shocking surprise, eh?
I guess that was their intent. I think that the intent here was to downplay and then to just kind of, all at once. And it's an interesting move. Obviously, a tremendously successful community, Counter-Strike community, and a discerning community. So these are just previews. There's going to be a lot of questions, and there's going to be, for sure, there's going to be criticisms, and there's going to be celebrations.
Yeah.
It's coming summer 2023, and the CSGO Twitter handle has now changed to CS2 next to its gold check mark.
Oh, what happened here?
You broke it? Hacked?
Oh, did they get hacked too?
I don't know. That was weird.
Yeah, what happened to that? That was so strange. We were just looking at that. This account
doesn't exist. Well, just search CSGO Twitter on Google and see what happens. I mean, there's probably getting a lot of traffic, right? Wow. Oh, that's freaky. Went down. Account doesn't exist. Try another account.
Did we blow it up?
Just click on another. No, we definitely didn't. The thing had 30 million views. Try any other account. Any other account. Okay, never mind. Their account is down right now, not Twitter. Not Twitter as a whole.
Weird.
Very weird.
Oh my goodness.
It's getting a lot of traffic. I don't know if that has anything to do with it.
Maybe. Are you excited about it? Do you want to play
I wasn't
it?
a big Counter-Strike player, but I would give it a crack for sure. I would want to see how everything works mechanically and see if I would get into it. But like it hasn't been overhauled. The game has been like CS:GO has.
The maps are just tried and true.
It's been forever.
Yeah.
Like I don't even know how long. I feel like
1.5, 1.6.
Decade, over a decade.
Definitely over a decade.
So that's just crazy.
I was like 15 or something.
It's crazy. So it's a really big thing to have a new version of it, and so I would definitely look at it because of that. But I did watch through the clips, and it does appear, just based on the way they're talking about it, that they took many things into consideration from a gameplay perspective. That there seems to be a focus on the feel of the game and the kind of responsiveness of it. Not necessarily the graphical components, not necessarily the textures, or like less talk about that.
Tight gameplay. Yeah.
Gameplay seems to be the criteria, and I think for that community that matters. Although there you go, reacts to lighting. They say the smoke reacts to lighting.
So there's that.
Yeah, I get it, but I think the main focus here is that gameplay remains as responsive and fast and robust as possible. It seems to be what they're mainly focusing on. So
yeah, sorry about the tick rate. It's they added a new technology called sub-tick rate,
right,
which is even more responsive.
So it's something about not losing any information. Anything that happens in between is
everyone sees it
completely correct to the way that it happened in real time.
Yeah.
So your shots and the reactions and everything is rapid.
Well, yeah, I'm going to give this a shot. I was a big CS 1.6
Well, actually,
fan.
this is kind of cool as you move this back and forth. You see, there is more detail, definitely, in these environments. So as much as we were talking about the responsiveness of it, that there's an improvement to the environment.
Reflections,
Yeah,
textures.
way more realistic, way more 2023 feeling.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully people can get on with it and enjoy it. I don't know.
Congrats.